This is an XRP emergency video, and also it regards all cryptocurrencies. So the crypto market is crashing very aggressively. Not only the crypto market, but the stock market has been crashing very aggressively the past couple of days. There are a couple of factors that are contributing to this, some of which being tariffs. There's uncertainty with tariffs, but we also had some bad data today, but that bad data is actually good data because it means that the Fed is going to be cutting rates and it gives them more of a reason to cut rates. And that's potentially some of the reasons why we are crashing. But the real reason why we are crashing, what is taking place right now is not natural. They are, and that is the whales, they are trying to shake you out of your bags, your XRP, your altcoins. They want to scare you. That's why they have been dumping it every single day this week. And as you notice, there's not even a single bounce, and every single bounce, if you look at any coin, it instantly comes down. I do believe that the seller has finished selling. The sell-off is possibly over with, and we are starting to bottom if you are holding XRP. This, in my opinion, is not financial advice, but this is a great time to buy. This is personally what I'm doing. Dollar cost averaging into XRP. Me and my community, if you guys want to join my private community, I tell you exactly when I'm getting in and out of positions, leverage trades, and everything in constant market updates. I'm a 7-figure professional trader, and I let you guys know exactly my thoughts moving forward. So what should you do? Well, in my opinion, you should buy the dip. Again, not financial advice, but this correction, this pullback is normal. It is healthy. However, this pullback in a degree is also not normal. It's manipulation. They're really trying aggressively to shake everybody out. And they're able to do that in summer months when there's a lot less liquidity and the books are very thin in the order books. It's easier to move prices up and down. So they are trying to shake everybody out, scare everybody, make everybody look bad. And guess what? We are going to bounce and we are going to see higher prices. We are in a bull market. So do not get that past your head. We are in a bull market, and you know, some of the greatest investors in the world, they tell us continuously when there's blood on the streets, that's when you want to buy. Warren Buffett also talks about being patient and buying during times like this. This is when you guys want to buy. When there's blood on the streets, when everybody's panicking, when everybody is fearful. Be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. This is a saying by Warren Buffett that you guys should also live by, and that should form your trading strategy, your investment strategy. We have so many bullish catalysts that are taking place right now. They are going to flip the switch with XRP. The government is getting on board with crypto. Banks are getting on board. We have the XRP ETF. There's so many bullish, amazing things taking place. And we just had all these crazy bills passed, guys. Very bullish. We are pulling back, we are correcting, but it is temporary. We're going to continue pushing higher because we are in a bull market, and we do this every single 4 years. The same exact thing happens. The same shakeouts take place. Guess what? They are trying to shake you out before the next leg up. They don't want you to be holding crypto when they pump the coins up, because guess what? Then you'll be able to sell and take profits on them. And that's not what they want you to do. They want you to buy when it starts pumping and start buying towards the top when things are pumping, so that you can be their exit liquidity. But if you buy while there's blood on the streets, they're going to be your exit liquidity when you take profits, when they start to potentially scale in and start to buy in. We're still early. XRP, in my opinion, is going to go to $5 to $7 probably very soon, and we are at $3. XRP is holding $3 very strongly, and it's honestly one of the most bullish coins. If you take a look at cryptos, a lot of them have been nuking massively, but XRP has barely pulled back and is holding very strongly at that $3 level. And we talked about XRP when it was close to $4 could potentially pull back to $3 and $2.80, around that region. That's where you're going to really want to buy in. This could potentially be the bottom, who knows, but we are definitely getting close to the bottom of this whole crash correction, and we're going to start bouncing up, guys. It's a new month, the month of August. They're going to start pumping this. They're going to start pumping the market. It's going to be absolutely crazy. Make sure you guys also use my trading indicator, ALGOSNIPER. You guys can try today for $1 at ALGOSNIPER.com. And if you guys are going to be trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you do it over on Blowfin. You guys can try it today, where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. And they're also giving you guys $10,000 in deposit bonuses. But the reason why you want to be using Blowfin is because it has the cheapest fees to trade and sell and buy cryptos. That's why I use it. And that's why me and my community use it. So check out everything in my video description, and I will see you guys later. Again, do not be fearful. Do not panic. In fact, be excited to buy the dip.